Kamusta kayo mga tropa? Gutom na ba kayo? Ako rin gutom na, tara na at kumain tayo. Ang ulam natin ay adobong sitaw. Dagdag kaalaman mga tropa. English ito kaya ready mo na ang tisyo mo. Hahaha, biro lang. Ang adobong sitaw. Adobong sitaw is the vegetable variation of the famous Filipino dish adobo, but instead of just using big chunks of pork and chicken, we use long beans, or some call it string beans, cooked with some pork pieces. Another popular dish in the Philippines, and it's quick and easy to cook. Instructions. In a pan, add pork and stir fry until brown on all sides. Add the onions and garlic until garlic, then saute until golden brown. Add the string beans and stir fry for 1 minute, then add the soy sauce, vinegar, pepper, black beans and bay leaves. Cover the pan then simmer for 4 minutes. Serve with rice. Kung nagustuhan mo ang ganitong content, aba, pogi ka, at syempre kapag babae, maganda, huwag mo lang kalimutan mag-follow at subscribe ha. Share mo na rin. Spread love to all. Shoutout sa inyong lahat dyan. Oo, ikaw na nanonood nito, tingin ka sa salamin. O diba, ikaw na. Salamat sa suporta katropa, hanggang sa muli paalam.